All right, good morning, everybody. We're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you how to get to Google SketchUp so that you can work on this project that you're going to start for the next week. So if you go ahead and go into your Google Drive and in the Google Apps, scroll all the way down, it looks like SketchUp. So you go ahead and click on it, it's going to open. Now, what you can do is it's probably going to make you sign in with your Google account, sign in with your Wake ID Google account or your Wake County account. Then it will open up. And once it does, you're going to start modeling, and it should look like this. Now, the other tutorial that's posted in Google Classroom is going to show you how to use SketchUp and how you're going to use the tools that are over here to be able to build your house. Okay, so the easiest part would be just to make a rectangular house, and then we're going to design it so it comes up 3D. And again, you have the tutorial that's going to show you how to design all the other intricate details of your house, such as the roof and the doors and the inside and stuff like that. So here's how you get to it. Here's the basic. Then go ahead and watch the YouTube tutorial on how to build it. And again, I have the Google Meet links open if you have any question. But again, you don't have to log in live today. You can just start working on this. But I will see everybody live on Monday. Okay, everybody must log in on Monday. Have a great weekend if I don't see you.